Hey, good day, my friends. Welcome to a beautiful freaking fall day, and a welcome to my video channel, Life of Chuck, where we don't give a cluck what we video. We video everything from awesomeness to substandardness here on this video channel. Sometimes we video van life stuff, sometimes we video traveling, sometimes we video vehicle repairs, like you will see in today's video. And if you like stuff that's anything between awesome and substandard, then you need to subscribe to my channel to see more. And if you guys are older subscribers, oh, just wait, I don't mean you're old, I mean you've been with me a long time, then I gotta say I appreciate you very much for putting up with my sometimes silliness and sometimes bad substandard videos. And all the comments you guys have been putting on lately have been freaking amazing, actually. You guys have made me laugh quite a bit on some of them. And some of them had given me a lot of ideas. I get some ideas from your comments. Most definitely a lot of... I get to think over things on what I'm doing or what I should be doing or what I should be putting on a video. So you know what? I got to thank you guys a lot for the comments. Please keep commenting. I like them so much that every 2 or 3 videos or maybe every video, I don't know, I'm going to give a shout out and a mention of that comment. I think for all you guys subscribing and commenting, that's the least I could do is give you guys a shout out a little bit here and there. So we've been trying that a bit more. So what else do I got? Yeah, speaking of my content, vehicle repairs, we're going to do a little bit of that today. And what else we're going to do? Who knows? You never know what to expect. So watch on, people, and see where we go. Oh yeah, we got to go to Walmart. I have to get my ass in gear because the last time we were at Korean Girls, somebody had stolen the cream hardener out of the auto body filler I was going to use. So I got to go try and fight with them to get a little thing of hardener. So without further ado, let's play what we got going on today and my Walmart trip, and let's see after that, okay? So cheers. Okay, had to get out of the rain. So I'm perturbed at Walmart because they have like 8 self-serve checkouts at the end of this entrance and exit, and no cashier. You go to the other end and they have 16 self-checkouts and only 1 cashier. So I refused to go down here because I had to check it out myself and I only have cash. So I'm not gonna go through that hassle. You know what? Screw you guys. The other thing is, do these self-checkout tills, do those pay taxes? Do they pay city taxes? Do they pay payroll taxes? Of course not. So who's paying the taxes then if these self-checkouts are here? You and I, we're paying the extra taxes on that. What about benefits? Health benefits and that. Are these self-checkouts paying the health benefits? Or CPP? No, I don't think so. Again, you and me have to. The other thing is they have no cashier at this end, but they got 2 security guards standing there, and they have 1 Walmart greeter. So you got 3 people standing there doing nothing. Walmart, you're getting crazy. Okay, before I start the second part of my bodywork day on Korean Girl's car, we're going to give a shout out. Shout out to a comment on my little toolbox on the back of the van. Yeah, I know it's ugly. Yeah, I have some plans for it. Eventually I'll get to it, but I got so many things on the go. Anyways, the shout out's going to go to Jerry Gingerich. He had mentioned in the comment section on my last video to put a pitched roof on this metal boxing. It says make it look like a large birdhouse, paint it colorful, put in a fake parrot, and then put a karaoke machine on it and you can make comments out of the speaker box while I'm inside having a hot cup of coffee. Hey, I like that idea. I could sit there and make all kinds of rude comments to girls and guys walking by. Actually, that's a pretty good idea. So I'm almost tempted to do that. So this ugly box actually houses my tooling, things like my air compressor, my jack, what else do I have in there? I got spare oil, you know, all of those type of things. This one here holds some of my other tooling and miscellaneous stuff. So I don't want to get rid of these. I do need those. However, I was thinking I could redo them to make them look not so ugly or not so substandard. Maybe put some of that white plastic housing siding on. That stuff's like for 10 feet of it, or 20 feet or whatever it is like $9. So that is pretty cheap stuff, and being a cheap bastard, that suits my style. But I just don't have the time. Freaking, I got a million other things to do. And this weekend, I was short time too. I had a couple friends ask me to go out for to meet up for Thanksgiving. John was down at Spanish Banks Beach and said, hey, drop by, we're having dinner and blah, 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 whatever, a gathering. And same thing, Nomadic Van Man, he messaged me and said that too. But I told Nomadic Van Man I'd meet him for coffee this coming week, and we'll do something with him there. And maybe I'll throw that coffee invite out to John too. So anyways, we got a lot to do, so let's get our asses in gear. So now we got it, and we can make a third attempt at repairing this. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, it has been a while, like I said, since I've done Bondo work. So we're going to attempt the mix. Now what you want to do is squeeze the hardener, or knead it, as they say, because usually it separates the chemicals inside and the liquid needs to be mixed up. So then we're going to put a small strip of hardener there, mix this up, and you have not a lot of time to apply it. And this is what she's got. It's a little bit hard. I'd rather use a soft one. But you know what? Hard might be good because we can just do that. This is a good size. Being hard, it should fill in some of the low spots. So anyways, we'll do one coat and see how this goes. And sorry folks, low light, so it's zooming in and out of focus. And I'm not gonna video me putting it on because I don't know if I'm... Yeah, we'll do the first run without a camera. Huh. Okay, there we go. We got a first coat on. And considering I haven't done this for a long time, as I repeat what I say, it worked out not too bad. I was afraid that I put too much hardener in and it was hardening too quick. So I kind of slapped it on pretty quick here. So now, what happens is, it's a little thicker down here, but that's kind of, we'll scratch that off. So what you do is, on this, oh yeah, it's still really soft, wow. Okay, maybe I didn't put too much hardener in. Let me go over this again, hold on. Oh, yeah, it's still sticky. So, oh yeah, I just screwed it up, see? It's setting, shit, I fucked it up. I shouldn't touch it, see? I screwed it up. Good job, Chucky. It's slowly hardening here. So, what happens is, if the camera doesn't focus, when it's hard enough to cheese grate, you should be able to rake your fingernail over it and the surface will turn white. So white means it's soft enough to cheese grate, but yet not hard enough where nothing's going to come off. So we're going to let it set for a little bit longer, usually 5 to 10 minutes, and it's been maybe 3 or 4. So let's see how this works. Okay, wow, the camera's coming in yellow because of the fluorescent lights. That's pretty, wow, it's the way I got the video set. I don't know how clear this is coming in. Maybe, hold on, let's try something. Oh yeah, that's a little better. We tried the light. Anyways, the easiest way to clean up the tooling is you let the Bondo set up a bit and just peel it off. See? That. You got to catch it before it's hard, but before it's not too soft. So trying to video and do this is tricky enough. See? Look at that. Just falls off. But if you leave it for an hour, forget it. It's hard on there as a rock. So see, it just pulls off like nothing. Yeah, there. So see? There. That's it. Just like that. But like I say, on the car, I have to let it set up. Oh yeah, it's still soft. Yeah, maybe I didn't add enough hardener. So we're going to have to let it sit for quite a while. And it's maybe 60, 70 degrees, so it should be warm enough. So that's where we're at, boys and girls. Turn the light off. Wow, what a difference it makes going from light to non-light. And I have it on a professional setting, so I can set the white balance, I can set the ISO, and I can set the EV rate to +1, +2, or whatever. Especially on the video is kind of good. Usually photograph you can a lot, but look at, see? So let me try and set the EV to +1. Yeah. How about -1? Wow, see how much darker it is? Now if I set the ISO to 800, which is a faster, and it makes it darker. And I'll try setting the ISO to 3200, and it should be even darker yet, because the lens gets smaller, I think, right? No, larger. The lens gets larger to capture more light. And let's go to automatic ISO. So yeah, or whoop. Wow, 100 is smaller. The lens goes smaller, so it captures less light. And back to auto. So this is an experiment for myself too. So cool. So also notice my fancy Bondo board. I'm using this to mix the Bondo up. We didn't go out and we purchase a special board. We picked this one out of the garbage. Actually, this works pretty good because I can keep it up in the air. And it's slowly starting to set here. It's not enough yet. We're gonna have to let it go a little bit longer. Almost. Oh yeah, almost. We'll give it a couple more minutes here to harden up. It's still sticky. Man, yeah. Maybe I didn't add enough hardener, so now I know for next time. See, there we go. So we'll give it a few more minutes and go to it. Okay, actually, it's almost. So, yeah, see? You just want to trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. So I call it cheese grater because it comes off like cheese. So basically you're just knocking the high spots off that you didn't properly get. Yeah, I gotta be careful, it's still a little bit soft. I should wait a few more minutes. Whoops, helps if you video the proper. Yeah, now it's starting to come up. So there we go, we're gonna do it like that. So, see, notice how it's catching the high spots. You're supposed to use a tool on this, but I like, or a holder to hold this cheese grater file, but I don't like it. Something like this, I'd rather just use it handheld. So, okay, continue on, Chucky. Okay, yeah, that's what we got. It's not perfect, it's not 100%, but you know what? It will look a little better than what it was. So, when we finish with it. Anyways, yeah. So, time to go clean up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Kind of weird, you know. I don't understand why I bring you with me everywhere. Doesn't make sense. I guess I just kind of got so used to relating to you guys on YouTube that we just film randomly wherever. So anyways, going to the clubhouse and we will clean up. I won't do it at her place because she's got a friend over and they're cooking up a storm and I'll get in their way. So, man, if I had more time, they're in the hot tub. I could use the hot tub. Well, we're gonna have to end things here, folks. We didn't get the repair done, but that's okay. Maybe this video has been too long anyways. So, with that and substandard repairs today, we're gonna say thanks for watching as usual. Remember, stay awesome, stay kind, cheers, all that good stuff that I always say. And until next time, yeah, have a great week. Later.